So today we'll be doing the question and answers, the bag exercise of chapter 1, crop production and management. So the first question, select the correct word from the following list and fill in the blank. So we have to choose these words, right? Now the first A part, the same kinds of plants grown and cultivated on a large scale at a place is called a crop. Second, the first step before growing crops is the preparation of soil. This is the first step. C, damaged seeds would float on the top of water. D, for growing a crop, sufficient sunlight and water and the nutrients from the soil are essential. Okay. Now, second question. Match items in column A with those of column B. So, children, I have written here answers as well. Okay. So, Kharif crops will be, the correct answer is paddy and maize. As you can see, it's marked. Then, Rabi crops, D option wheat, gram and pea. Then chemical fertilizers, B option urea and superphosphate. And then fourth one, organic manure, C option animal excreta, cow dung, urine and plant waste. Next question, give two examples of each kharif crop, paddy and maize. Here also you can see. Then rabi crop, wheat and pea, gram as well you can add. Okay. Fourth one, write a paragraph in your own words on each of the following. Now preparation of soil. So preparation of soil is the first step in agriculture, right? Preparation of the soil is done to loosen the soil, which is very essential for root penetration into the soil. This allows the roots to breathe easily. Then sowing is an important process in crop production. First, healthy seeds are selected before sowing. Sowing is done by either traditional methods or by using seed drills, right? Third one, weeding. Removal of unnecessary plants from the field is called weeding. Weeds compete with the crop plants for nutrients and water. So this will reduce the yield of the desired crops. Weedicides are sprayed to get rid of weeds, but this method may affect the health of farmers because of the chemicals used as weedicides. Okay. The fourth one is threshing. So process of separating the chaff from the crop is known as threshing. Threshing is carried by a machine called combine, which is a harvester as well as a thresher. Now this fifth question, explain how fertilizers are different from manure. Now children, this answer fifth I have not written. So this is table 1.1 on page number 7. Okay. And you can go and learn there. And if you, in case you don't find the answer, do let me know in the comment section. I will post the answer. Okay. Please don't worry. I will definitely post the answer if you want. Okay. Now let's see the sixth question. What is irrigation? Describe two methods of irrigation which conserve water. So the definition of irrigation. The supply of water to crops at regular intervals is called irrigation. Okay. Now the two methods of irrigation which conserve water are, the first one is drip irrigation. Okay. So in this method the water goes drop by drop directly into the roots. This method is very useful as it conserves the water and also helps in avoiding weeds. Okay. Then B, sprinkler system. This method is in use mainly in uneven land where sufficient water is not available. Okay. So the perpendicular pipes having rotating nozzles on top are joined to the main pipeline at regular intervals. When water is allowed to flow through the main pipe under pressure with the help of a pump, it escapes from the rotating nozzles and then it gets sprinkled on the crop. Okay. So this is these methods are very essential to save the water. Okay. Now the seventh question. If wheat is sown in the Kharif season, what would happen? Discuss. Now see, wheat is a winter season crop. We all know, right? Wheat is a rabi crop. So if it is sown in rainy season, it may get destroyed because it doesn't want that much water of rainy season. Okay. Then question 8. Explain how soil gets affected by the continuous plantation of crops in the field. Now continuous plantation of crop results in the depletion of certain nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, etc. This results in the decrease in yield due to loss of nutrients. Hence, there should be a gap between crops in order to get a good crop production. So, crop rotation should be done. Okay. Then, ninth question, what are weeds? How can we control them? Now, in a field, many undesirable plants may grow naturally along with the crop. These undesirable plants are called weeds. So, weeds are also controlled by using certain chemicals called weedicides like 2,4-D. These are sprayed in the fields to kill the weeds. Okay. The 10th question. Now, here we have to arrange these steps, okay, and we have to make a flow chart. So I have not made the flow chart, but yes, I have arranged the steps. So the first step will be preparation of soil, then the second step will be flowing the field, third step will be sowing, fourth will be manuring, then comes fifth step irrigation, then comes sixth step harvesting, and then the last will be sending crop to sugar factory. Okay, so this here we have arranged this. Okay, so here we come to the end of this exercise, and children, if you want the fifth answer, please do let me know, and I hope this will be very useful for you in the coming half yearly exams. Thank you.